window, and it was very exciting because we have been staring at this giant crack through our window for about 2 years. In the process, as all construction projects go, we created a ton of dust and it went flying all over my living room and coated everything. I've been wanting to rearrange the furniture in this room for quite a while, so let's get started. I like to think I'm speaking to another mom in need of encouragement today because I'm finding myself in a season of also needing encouragement. 2020 has been a hard year for us all in many notable ways. But if you're like me, there are still many things that make life hard besides the obvious. And for a moment, I'd like to invite you over to my home and we can talk. I was thinking about what that would look like if you came over today, because by watching me in my living room, you kind of are over at my house for a couple of minutes. If you came over unannounced today, you'd see dirty dishes on the counter and shoes all over the floor. You'd see toothpaste in my sink and crayon on my walls. I'd probably say something like, "Sorry for the mess." And I'd really only half mean it because this is everyday life for me. My kiddos would say hi and want to play with yours, and I'd tell them to show them where the toys are. I'd offer you coffee or tea or milk or water, whatever it is you drink, I'd figure it out and get it. And then we would come into this room and sit and relax and talk. Talk about anything and everything. Oh, doesn't it feel good to be invited in? Welcome. Welcome to my home, to my life, to my family. Welcome to me. And so let's imagine we are here, sitting on these couches, sharing a piece of life together. What would I tell you to encourage you? Well, right now I feel like life is messy and requires some rearranging. The messes will still come, but when we rearrange our hearts, letting go of the things we can't change, the messes can be easier to manage. So instead of focusing on the mess, let's focus on the rearranging. I'm reminded of a psalm that goes like this: "Teach me to number my days, that I may gain a heart of wisdom." Psalm 90, verse 12. Yes, our lives have a bigger picture playing out that is bigger than this year or next year, but it tells a whole story of our life, of our faithfulness. And when we humbly ask Christ to teach us to number our days, we are actively rearranging the order of our hearts. So instead of focusing on the now, on the immediate, we gain wisdom by looking ahead. These days matter because they add to a bigger picture, one that shares a legacy. And don't we all want our legacy to be life-giving? The thing is I can't do it on my own. I can't rearrange my heart as easily as I rearrange my furniture. I need to ask Christ for wisdom. And it's in this beautiful surrender where I can start. I think that's what my heart needs to be encouraged in today. And so we'd sit and chat, and it wouldn't all be super deep. I'd want to know more about you and your family, your history. I'd want to know some of your likes and dislikes, and hopefully there would be laughter. It would be pretty fun. I'd hope you leave with a deeper sense of purpose, maybe even a strengthened desire to ask Christ to show you how to gain wisdom. And so I don't know if all my videos will be this deep, but I needed to share what was on my heart. And if researching YouTube has taught me anything, it's that very few people watch the first video. So if you are watching this, it's pretty special that you're here. I'd love to know, do you rearrange your furniture often or never? I think my husband was surprised when he married me over how often I rearranged our furniture. It was a little shocking. If this encouraged you, I'd be honored if you gave this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to keep coming over to chat, please subscribe so we can stay friends. And I wanted to leave you with a quote. And if you know what movie this is from, be sure to say in the comments. We are sure to be fast friends because it's from one of my all-time favorite movies. I changed it slightly to make sense for this video, so here it is. Dear friend, I like to start my videos to you as if we're already in the middle of a conversation. I pretend that we're the oldest and dearest of friends as opposed to what we actually are. People who have never met posting on YouTube in the hopes of spreading encouragement. What will Under the Maple Tree post today, I wonder? I turn on my computer. I wait impatiently as it connects. I go online and my breath catches in my chest as I hear 3 little words. New video added. I hear nothing, not even a sound on the streets of New York, just the beat of my own heart. I have a video from you.